They do need to take it into consideration. Sometimes younger kids, maybe 12, 13, could be heard too if the judge would decide that they're mature enough and could take their thinking into consideration. But 14 is usually that golden age. Um, Also, once the kid hits the age of 16 or 17, we're talking a child who maybe is already driving and going to school by themselves. The courts generally look at that age as a child they're not going to force to do something one way or another. And at that time, it's almost like the child is kind of crafting their own schedule at that age, typically. The courts will not consider that a child who is too young can make such a decision. And unfortunately, they can also be frequently influenced by a parent because they're not mature enough to understand this conflict that may be happening. So that age, no, if the child is 5 or 6, they could still get interviewed. They could be a recipient witness for certain things, but generally the courts will not consider their preference.